Happy New Year, everyone. My name is Peter Svenson. I'm with the band Reading Material. My bandmates Jen Graney, Lily LeBlanc, and Keenan LeBlanc can't be with me today. But I wrote this song for Reading Material. It's called It Rains Diamonds on Saturn. It rains diamonds on Saturn. Must be quite a place. All day long they're falling down like a hard rain on your face. And they're all free for the taking, glittering on the ground. On a great big planet like Saturn, there's plenty to go around. It rains diamonds on Saturn, scientific fact. I'm gonna take the next rocket out there, never come back. It gets pretty cold on Saturn, but you'll be warm enough. All you gotta do is wear a spacesuit. Don't forget your gloves. Out there on the countryside, set out pots and pans. When they're all glittering full, carry as many back as you can. It rains diamonds on Saturn, scientific fact. I'm gonna take the next rocket out there, never come back. Now if you grow tired of Saturn, you can always come back to Earth. Just make sure your pockets are full to increase your net worth. Don't be in too big a rush to make up your mind. When the folks on Earth find out about you, they'll probably rob you blind. It rains diamonds on Saturn, scientific fact. I'm gonna take the next rocket out there, never come back. It rains diamonds on Saturn, scientific fact. I'm gonna take the next rocket out there, never come back. Yeah, see y'all later, folks. I'm on my way to Saturn.